know. Good stuff.
And yell, hey, city boy stuff. He's worth it as a 1 point buck. Never heard of a four-wheel drive. Now he's spinning them tires. Hey, city boy stuff. Penny lover standing right, no love. Should I throw him a rope? No, hell no, not me. I'm rolling on by.
Man, there's a tree in the way. Let's see if we can. Yeah.
Hey, city boy, I'm Earl Dimbles Jr. I'm a country boy. You're a long way from town to be running your mouth. See them smooth tires spinning like that? That's why we use nothing but mud tires, 4x4. You got your
Moving.
hard slick back and your skinny jeans, collar popped up and your car's itty bitty. Better turn around and go back to the city. You can pop back clutch, you can pop back collar.
I'll turn this way.
I'ma pop this top while I holler.
Trying to get it all the way to the side there.
You can pop back clutch, you can pop back collar.
Yeah, baby. Just like that.
Holler. Hey, city boy stuff. He's worth it as a 1 point buck. Never heard of a four-wheel drive.
Smell my new clutch.
Spinning them tires.
Yeah.
City boy stuff. Penny lover standing right, no love. Should I throw him a rope? No, hell no, not me. I'm rolling on by.
Pulled a lot of trees with that chain. I think we got one more, maybe two. Pull out the way and we should be clear. Just pulling trees down the road. Just pulling trees down the road.
You don't put a good dip in, don't crack a cold one, don't fix a tree, don't rope stuff, don't shoot the gun, barbed wire tattoo, don't even go all the way around.